The following is a vocabulary guide to hints for beginners, elementary combinations. Chaos. The game ended in chaos. Conception. He has no conception of how difficult life is. Possess. Each person possesses different skills. Turmoil. The country is in economic turmoil. Self-evident. Her sincerity is self-evident. Prospects. I want a job with good prospects. Subordinating. He's subordinating the interests of others. Frantically. He frantically searched for the key. Appreciation. He has no appreciation of our difficulties. Conscious. I became conscious of someone watching me. Inferiority. He had feelings of inferiority after he failed the test. Adversary. He saw her as his main adversary in the competition. Former. Of the two suggestions, I prefer the former. Mobility. I prefer the mobility of a handheld camera. Latter. Of the two suggestions, I prefer the latter. Peculiar. She has peculiar ideas. Peripatetic. A peripatetic music teacher. Reckless. He had always been reckless with money. Incursions. Government forces were able to halt the rebel incursion. Fray. The students were forced into the fray. Bewildering. I found his instructions bewildering. Childish. We danced childishly with delight. Afford. The records afford no explanation. Undoing. Greed has been the undoing of many a businessman. Sound. She gave me some very sound advice. Husband. Everyone is being asked to husband their supplies. Drawback. There are several drawbacks to his plan. Empirical. There is no empirical evidence to support his thesis. Propounded. Different scholars propounded different theories. You have just listened to the vocabulary guide to hints for beginners, elementary combination. Download a PDF copy by clicking on the link in the description below.